start that one?
Yeah. I got it already. It's already started.
We're just gonna go back and up.
Hands are shaking.
Yeah, no, I don't know why.
I should like see.
Alright, we are like 400 feet out there.
I lost you. I don't even see it.
I'm actually gonna take the gimbal and go down here so we can kind of see how high up we are. We're definitely above. I think we're out in the water.
Oh, I see you now.
Can you see it?
Yeah. You're like right straight ahead.
That is a cliff. I'm gonna back up a little. Oh, there's train tracks down there.
Oh, really?
Yeah. We're still good. We got great reception.
It's a really pretty place.
Yeah. Can you see it?
I can, but the sun, it's like really hard to. It looks so foggy up here, right?
Yeah. That's us way out there. See us? You know, you can't see us.
No, I'll see it when we edit to it.
That's where we are up there.
Oh.
So I'm gonna do a little spin around here. So, got something over there. There's a boat. A couple rocks out there.
Step up, step up, step up.
Should I fly over to that island?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna check it out. Called Sickly Island.
Oh gosh.
Oh, is there like a little house over there or something? Hang on, let's go down a little bit. I think we're a little too hot. Yeah, there's houses over there. That is so cool. I didn't realize there's actually houses on that little island over there.
You have to show me later because it's hard for me to see.
Yeah. Okay, you wanna look? Isn't that cool? You can kind of see like the houses down there.
Okay.
This is a pretty cool spot.
It's very pretty.
That's kind of where
Look,
we
there's
are.
a bird. There's a bird.
Hey, you see one? Oh, that's so cool.
I don't know what kind that is.
I don't know what kind that is either. There's an index that we can look at.
There's two of them. There's another bird coming in. It might just been a crow though. Those are
Crazy. It actually says we're 3 feet off the ground. But it's because we started so high. Let me stop the drone for a second.
Okay.
So you guys where we're at. We're way up there. I don't know. They probably can't see us.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
But we are currently like 1,300 feet out.
Somebody's shooting. Is that the gun range?
Oh, it could be. I don't know which way the gun range is though. Do you even see it?
No. It sounds like it's echoing really loud.
Oh, like, do you even see my drone?
Is that the sound of it? I hear something like buzzing.
No, it's going to be directly in front of us. I'm going to go up a little bit. I think I'm too low.
Yeah, because I don't even see it.
I'm bringing it up, bringing it up. in. It's apparently in front of us. I still can't see it.
I can't either.
It's
Honestly,
pretty
it's
high,
very
though.
hazy today. It's hard to see.
Yeah. Do you hear it?
I do hear it. I just don't see it. I hear it.
It's above us. I see it now.
Oh my gosh. I was like, I hear it. I just don't see it anywhere. Okay, bring it down. Straight up.
Yeah, that's cool.
Oh my gosh, it is really hazy today.
It's so bright. I know. I didn't even bring my sunglasses. It's a pretty cool spot. This is cool. First time here, too.
Yeah, it's nice. Okay.
All right, so we are 3,000 feet away right now.
I don't even see this.
We're way out there, all the way to the right.
Oh, over there.
Yeah. Gonna kind of pan up the camera a little bit here. Kind of get you guys a little spin shot. This is still on normal mode. This is not even on cine mode or sport mode. I have yet to test any of those modes yet.
Okay.
But just what bugs in my face. What a cool spot. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, we are over here somewhere. So we're gonna go ahead and bring it back. We're 3,000 feet away. We got like 14 minutes, about 56% battery, 19 satellites, so bugs in my face. Why do you want me? We're actually flying back.
Yeah, let's go this way for a minute.
Almost like looks like the same path here.
I'll get more of this. I feel like I'm just staring over there. I want to get more of this view.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna bring it back. Maybe we'll get some closer shots here. I kind of want to dip it down a little bit. Actually, let's go down to this little island right here. Let's go check this out. So I'm gonna bring the camera drone down, or the gimbal down. I'm gonna see what we got on this little island here. Dude, what are these bugs around here though?
There's gnatties.
That was a big gnat.
It was a bee.
Was it?
No.
Honestly, I thought it was.
It's a little too chilly for bees.
I thought it was just too chilly for any kind of bugs.
There's a bird turd up there.
Alright, so we're going to get closer to this little island here. Is that people on boats right there? I think that's a guy on a boat. Some people boating, fishing, you name it.
You name it. Don't get me started. Chicken. Oh, we hear that.
What a cool little island. Pretty awesome.
Beans, potatoes.
This is cool. This is a one-up from our first flight.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
So I'm just gonna fly around a little bit over here, and then maybe we can give you guys a little close-up. Out of the ants on my hand.
Oh, you have ants on your hand?
Yeah.
All right then.
Little guy. This place is as natural as it comes as far as the bugs go. This is a cool little island. Man, look how clear that water kind of is,
oh, wow.
too.
That's really cool. You're way over there, huh?
No, I'm actually right here.
Really?
Yeah, I'm right here.
Oh, you're right here. You're like right in front of us right
Yeah.
here. I got beans.
I'm gonna do a little zoom on this. What is that thing? No idea what that thing is.
I don't know. It's like a piece of metal.
Yeah, someone's building stuff over there. All right. Anyway, here. So let's bring the gimbal. Let's bring it the other way here. Let's bring it up. Gonna bring it up.
Bring
and
it
then
back.
we're gonna
Bring it back.
Spin it around so it's more towards us here. And oh, I think we're like right there. So we're gonna go a little higher, and then we're gonna bring it in. We got about 9 minutes of flight left.
I think I see it, to be honest. That's what I'm staring at. Beans.
We are bringing it in. I'm going to raise it up a little bit more. Should be almost like, oh, I see it. I see it. Bring it on in. All right, guys. So we're just going to bring the drone back to us right here. As you can see, that's us right there in that open area. But yeah, we enjoy making these kind of videos, and hopefully you guys do as well. More videos like this to come. We're going to try to find some really cool local scenic areas that we can give you guys some aerial shots. We enjoy making them, so hopefully you guys enjoy watching these kind of videos. But yeah, without further ado, we will be landing the drone here in just a few minutes. Appreciate you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up if you guys did. If you guys are new and you guys like these kind of videos, subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next one.